This is the most scariest thing ever. 2 wooden planks of wood and a Veneno Roadster.
Wenn du jetzt hier runterrutscht, setzt er auf. So. Wenn der jetzt runterkommt.
This is the most nerve-wracking thing ever.
Dov'è che tu?
Tocca qua, amore, quando arriva e così basta.
No.
Come on.
Okay, go. Go.
It's like fitting a spaceship in. The wing mirrors have got to go in. The wing mirrors have to go in, for sure. Phew. I thought they were just going to drive in. Right, it's nailed it. What a lad. This is the truck driver.
Truck driver with his Veneno.
Turned up
Finding that bike point.
Turned up to the job thinking that he was probably just picking up a guy.
No, I'm going to take this spaceship for a ride. Oh, look at this guy.
And there we go. Scary. And there we go. The manager of Lamborghini is now happy. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you load a Veneno Roadster onto a truck that is going from Germany back to Italy, back to the museum. I cannot believe the timing. We were just coming here to have a look at it and it got unloaded 5 minutes after we were here. We had a chat with the manager, who then decided to show me the LP640, which I'm going to have to go back and look at now because what an insane car as well. But a Veneno Roadster startup, heart in mouth moment, heart in mouth situation right there. But I think that's a video in itself. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. I'm heading back to, I need to see this car again. I need to see this car again. And hopefully if you like it, like, comment, share. How would you do it differently? Comment below. Would you drive it back to Italy? I know I would. And I will see you